Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get my AI on Snapchat. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your App Store or Play Store depending on your device, and in the search bar, just search for Snapchat, and you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat application. If there is any update like me, just make sure to update it. And now after updating, if you open your Snapchat application, tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner, and now tap on the settings icon given in the upper right corner, and in settings you have to scroll down until you see this support option, and in support just tap on this I need help. Now tap on your search bar and you have to search for this what is my AI, and tap on this first option, and now you have to read carefully what is my AI on Snapchat and how do I use it. And after reading, just go back. Now tap on your chat icon, and as you can see, your AI bot will appear at the top like mine. You can tap on it and you can chat with AI whatever you want. Like if I ask him how are you, as you can see he will reply me I'm doing well, thanks, how about you. So that's how you can get and use AI on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.